Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to turn a PowerPoint presentation into a video in FlexClip, which is a video creation app powered by AI. So I'm logged into my FlexClip account. This is the main homepage. I'll go to the AI Tools section and then go to the Video tab. And then I'll choose AI PPT/PDF to video. You'll be brought to this page. You can drag and drop your PPTX or PDF file here. Please note that the PDF or the PPTX file should not have more than 100 slides or pages. So I'll go ahead and drag the PPTX file here. So here is the file. Down below, you can choose a language. I'll leave it to the default English. For the length, you can choose one of these options. I'll leave it to the default auto. And then you can use this drop down to choose a tone. Again, I'll leave it to the default auto and then click on next. You'll then begin generating a storyboard with these slides from the PPT. And this can take a few minutes. And here are the various scenes generated based on the slides from the presentation, as you can see. You can then click next. And in this final step, you need to choose the voice and the subtitles. You can click this drop down to choose one of the many male or female voices. As you can see as I scroll down here, there are quite a few. I'll choose Andrew. And then you can also choose a voice style. I'll leave it the default general. And then down below, you'll find many different styles of subtitles, as you can see. So I'll go ahead and choose this one right here. And then click on Generate. Please bear in mind that it's going to use your AI credits. In this case, it's going to use 21 AI credits. And then it will start rendering the video. This process can take a few minutes depending on the PowerPoint project. And in my case, this one took about 3 minutes to render. You can then check the browser downloads folder for the downloaded MP4 file. And then you can click this back to edit button, which will take you back to the FlexClip video editor. And if you click on the FlexClip logo in the top left corner, it'll take you back to the main homepage. Now let me play a small portion of the PPT video so you can see how it came out.
Welcome everyone. Today, we are going to explore the vast and rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. We will cover its core concepts, trace its historical roots, and examine the profound applications that are shaping our world today. Our journey today follows a structured path. We'll start by defining what AI actually is, move into the technical foundations of data and algorithms, look back at the milestones that brought us here, and then discuss the real-world impacts, risks, and the essential frameworks for responsible use. This session is designed to provide a comprehensive overview, from the technical foundations and historical context to the ethical considerations and the future trends that will define the next decade of AI impact. So what is AI? At its heart, artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence by machines. It's about creating systems that can think, learn, and improve over time. Unlike traditional software that follows rigid rules, modern AI uses learning algorithms to handle complex tasks like perception, decision-making, and language understanding, fueled by today's massive computing power and data availability.
With FlexClip, you can create different types of videos using pre-made templates and powered by AI. You can check the link in the description section to get FlexClip at a discounted price. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.